y'all, it's a great day today. It's Dolly's birthday. And I'm gonna celebrate by cooking something from her good-looking cooking cookbook. I'm making these very simple appetizers. They're called chicken feed. See that? Let's do it. I've got a few English muffins here that I need to cut into quarters. Grab a bowl. The recipe calls for Kraft Old English cheese spread. I couldn't find it in my store. So instead I found this President pub cheese with cheddar and horseradish. This should work well too. 1/3 cup. Uh-oh, I just saw this side note. Sorry, Dolly. 1/4 cup of softened butter. Tablespoon of mayonnaise. A drained can of chicken breast. And a 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning blend. We're going to combine that until we have a creamy consistency. Spread that on your muffin triangles and place on a baking sheet. Next, you cover them with saran wrap and you chill them in the fridge for 30 minutes. And now you need to broil them for 5 minutes. I let them cool a couple minutes. Chicken feed. Love the crunch. That's delicious. It's a tasty little snack. I'll give it a 7.4 out of 10. Happy birthday, Dolly! I was wondering what kind of soap I should use to clean my dolphin. And I thought about it, and I think I'm going to use an all-purpose cleaner.